ready. So right now we're trying to detach the steering wheel from the vehicle. So this is a 10mm Allen key. As you can see, we have it here. We insert it right here. Then it's usually fastened properly, so you have to use the leg to support the steering wheel so that it doesn't move. Then you move it anti-clockwise. Good, just like I did. You can see it has come off. Good. And that way you can bring out this. Or make sure you put this at the center so that it doesn't affect the steering realignment. Okay, so this is what we're trying to do here. Want it? Yeah. Oh, I forgot to unplug this second harness. Where is the screwdriver again? Okay, thank you. So you can see it. Get this out. Good. Done. Then it can come out. This way, nothing is going to happen to this place. So we take it outside, clean it, and bring it back for reinstallation.